Can you see yourself in the 2013 Mazda CX-5? With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the good life in this CX-5, the compact crossover with highline style. Its excellent ride and cornering prowess make this upscale SUV a delight on country roads, and its exceptionally quiet cabin creates a soothing oasis wherever the journey takes you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, keyless start, blind spot monitor, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler. Style and versatility blend beautifully in this driver-focused CX-5 crossover. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.